Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Instacart shopper account step by step clearly. To register for an Instacart shopper account, begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Instacart's official website. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up or become a shopper button. Click on that button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you can enter your email address. Ensure the email address you enter is valid and accessible. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the security requirements listed. After entering your email and password, click on the Continue button. You will then be prompted to provide your personal information. Enter your first name, last name, and phone number. Select your location, which usually includes entering your zip code. Instacart will use this information to tailor your service area. Once you've filled out this information, click Next or Continue. You may be required to verify your phone number through a text message. Check your messages for a verification code sent by Instacart. Enter that code in the designated field on the website. When your phone number is verified, you will proceed to the next step. Now you'll need to provide information about your driving experience. This typically includes details about your vehicle, such as the make and model. Next, you may be asked for your social security number for identification purposes. Instacart requires this information for background checks. Read and agree to the terms and conditions when prompted. You may also need to consent to a background check. After consent, you will be asked to upload a clear profile picture. Ensure your photo adheres to the guidelines provided. Once all required fields are completed, click Submit to finalize your registration. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email from Instacart. Check your email to confirm your registration was successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.